The city had become quiet, not peaceful, not safe, just quiet. The kind of silence that settles over a place after something terrible has happened. Denji stood atop a ruined building, staring at the endless lights stretching toward the horizon. The wind tugged at his shirt as distant sirens echoed through the night. Somewhere out there, another devil was feeding on humanity's fear. And somehow, the fear felt different, stronger, as if the entire world was holding its breath. People had begun disappearing, not dying, disappearing. Entire train cars would arrive empty. Office buildings would lose hundreds of workers overnight. Families woke up to find their loved ones simply gone. No blood, no bodies, no explanation, only fear. The Public Safety Bureau called it the vanishing devil, but those who had encountered it and survived gave it another name, the forgotten devil. Because once it touched you, the world slowly forgot you ever existed. Photographs faded, names vanished from records, memories crumbled like dust. It wasn't killing people, nay, it was erasing them. And every day its power grew stronger. Denji hated devils. He hated heroes. He hated responsibility. But he hated seeing scared kids even more. So when public safety came asking for Chainsaw Man, he didn't say no. 3 nights later, the hunt began. The streets were empty. Rain poured from black clouds overhead. Neon signs flickered across puddles lining the sidewalks. Denji walked alone. Every instinct screamed at him that something was wrong. The city felt hollow, as though reality itself had been hollowed out from the inside. Then he saw it. A shadow standing at the end of the street. Tall, thin, almost human. Almost. Its body seemed to shift every second, as if reality couldn't decide what it looked like. Faces appeared across its skin. Hundreds of them. Thousands. Men, women, children. People the world had forgotten. People who no longer existed. The forgotten devil smiled. And suddenly Denji couldn't remember why he was there. He stopped walking. His mind became foggy. The mission, public safety, Chainsaw Man. Everything felt distant, meaningless. The devil took a step forward, then another, and another. Every step erased something. Street signs disappeared. Store names vanished. Buildings lost their identities. Even memories inside Denji's mind began breaking apart. For the first time in years, he was afraid, not of dying, of being forgotten, of everything he had fought for disappearing forever. The forgotten devil raised his hand. The world cracked. Reality split open like shattered glass. And Denji saw impossible visions. Aki smiling one last time. Power laughing loudly in an apartment filled with junk food. Makima staring at him with those terrifying eyes. Fragments of the people who had shaped his life. The devil whispered. Everyone disappears eventually. For a moment, Denji almost believed it. Then he remembered something. A promise. Power's promise. No matter how impossible it seemed. No matter how long it took. Find the blood devil. Bring her back. The memory exploded through his mind like lightning. His heart roared. The cord on his chest swung in the wind. And Denji grinned. The kind of grin that only appeared right before absolute chaos. You picked the wrong guy to mess with. He yanked the cord. The night erupted. Chains burst from flesh. Engines screamed. Blood sprayed across the rain-soaked street. The hero of hell returned. Chainsaw Man charged forward. The city trembled beneath every step. The forgotten devil smiled. And the battle that followed would become the most violent fight the world had ever witnessed. I am a fight between the devil who erased existence and the devil that devils fear most. As thunder rolled across the sky, the first clash shattered the city. And somewhere beyond the storm, something ancient opened its eyes, watching, waiting, as a far greater horror prepared to enter the world.